Hey guys, for Black Hat here. Sorry, I'm in my nephew's room right now, so you might see cribs and all that. All right, come on. This is my 2013 Firework 4th of July stash coming from Houston, Texas. All right, right here we got our punk station, 3 big punks, all these little punks. We got our morning glories over here. I got 20. Whistling chasers, 16 in each pack. I spend about almost $300 on everything. Whistling chasers from Top Dog, 16 in a pack, 99 cents. Morning glories, $3.99. I got class crackers, 200 strips, 99 cents each, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of Black Hats by Black Hat, and these are by World Class, 99 cents each. So all in total, I got 9. I got 3 jumbo crackling balls by Boomer. These were $3.99. Buy one get 2 free. I got this invention I made. Did it last year. It was pretty good. 50 dynamites. Taped up all these morning glories together. Yeah. I got these little dynamites, $1.99 each pack. Comes in 100 by Black Hat. M150, 36 pack. I don't know who it's by, but yeah. Wow, you just broke it. I got Space Thunder. Space Thunder emits showers of sparks with report, so it goes all the way to the air and flies up. I got these satellites. I don't know who these are by, but I got these satellites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 boxes of snaps, super snaps. They gave it to me for free by Black Hat. I got 3 rows, and in each row is 6 packs, and in each of them are 6 in each. So in total, I got 108 camellia flowers. They're called camellia flowers. Stop sliding it.
This is straight.
Camellia flowers. I got these ground blooms. 100. I got 102 ground blooms all together because it comes in a pack of 6. As you can see. I got a brick of jumping jacks. I don't know, it's by this Chinese company. These are by World Class, Camellia Flowers, and by Top Dog. Next, let's go to my cakes. These are 200 grams. First, I got 9-shot liftoff. I don't know who it's by, but yeah. Shoots flaming balls and reports. Take off with 9 powerful red and gold glittering. Is that soar into the light? Next, I got Happy 36 shot by Black Hat. Shoots flaming balls with report. I got a 10 shots Beggar's Finale. These are all 200 grams. I don't know who that's by. Next, I got round 1. It's 8 shots, I think, by World Class. Next, I got Whiplash by World Class. 10 shots. Yep. Next, I got Glory Days. 10 shots by World Class. Next, I got the Desert at Night by Black Hat, 7 shots. Emits showers of sparks and shoots flaming balls. You gotta know how these work. Next, I got the Garden of Spring, practically the same thing but different color by Black Hat. Next, I got Project 9, 9 shots. They don't say who it's by, but it says, I think it's fanned, because that's what it shows, 66 feet high and 49 feet. Cast of colors, multi-colors. You can pause it, see what it's, you can't even see it, whatever. It's on. Next we got 79 little 79 little the little holes, and then 8 big holes on the sides, so it's, I think it's 80 something, I forgot. Battle of New Orleans, that's what it's called. And next, it's heavy. I got Rebel Rouser 20 shots. You want to pause it, look at the effects, by Black Cat. We're going to go onto the 500 gram. Oh, we're still on 200 gram. Next we got Fireworks Fiesta. 96 shot. Fanned. It's fanned. You know how it is. Next we got this 500 gram. Look how big it is. My size of my hand. It's called Flicker by World Class. Next we got 2 boxes of premium artillery shells. They're only $7. Good price. By Boomer. You know the effects. I got 2 boxes. And last but not least, I got these Excaliburs 24 shells. I know you can see the things. They're heavy. It's like at least 10 pounds. You know the effects in the back. I can pause it. But yeah, I know most of y'all said, I asked y'all, should I buy it for $90? But y'all said it was a ripoff, but I still bought them. It was like with tax and everything, they were $90. You know, by World Class. That's pretty much it. All my stash. Here, let me zoom out. Everything. Oh, you know what I forgot to mention? Roman candles. Forgot to mention. Sorry. Mini Perils. 2 packs, 10 shots. 10 in the pack. I got 2 of them. $2.99. And I got this handful. A lot of y'all say these are badass. By Black Cat. Those are by Black Cat too. 10 shots. Those $5. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Like I said, I spent almost $300. Yeah, and these are, like I said, I have 108 of these and 102, so before like our finales and stuff, our cakes, which is good. And then I have a brick of jumping jacks. Just before it turns like 10 o'clock, we're gonna light off all these things. But yeah. Did we say the missile batteries? We didn't say the missile batteries. Oh my god. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 25 shot Saturn missile batteries by World Class. Sorry, we didn't. We forgot to do these. Right. Now we'll take a video. Alright, just. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do an unboxing. Probably gonna do a video of my unboxing of the Excaliburs. So check it out. And I'm gonna do like a board, 4 shots. But yeah, shout out to all my subscribers. Thanks for everything. All the likes, the comments, comment. See what you think about it. But yeah, thanks. Alright, peace out.